Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to make Mexican style caldo de res. It means beef soup. So this is my own version. I have this beef flank. I mix it up to sirloin, and also I have corn, banana plantain, and baby bok choy, carrots, and potatoes and cilantro, lots of garlic as well, and I have lime, and also onions and bay leaves, and I have medley peppercorn, and I use broth instead of water. So let's get started. Alright, I put the broth already on the pot, so let's bring to boil. Then we'll add later the garlic and onions and bay leaves. Now it's kind of really boiled. So we'll add the garlic. And also onions, and we'll follow the meat. You just simmer for like 2 minutes and we'll put the meat in. Alright, let's put the meat in. Ow! I'm really scared of that. Oh, come on, get in there. There. Now let's simmer it until the meat is tender. Alright, so let's cover that up and simmer it. Put your heat to the medium low. Alright, the meat is been soft, so we're gonna add all the vegetables, not all. Now let's add the banana, the plantain banana. And we'll simmer this like 3 to 4 minutes. And we'll add the leaves. Alright. 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, now we need to drop the veggies, the green leaves. It looks a lot, but that one will go later on. And you can turn off your heat now and leave that like 2 minutes. See, it's all gone. And then we'll add the cilantro. Leave some for garnish. There you go. Almost ready to serve. That looks yummy and smells good. Alright guys, here is my caldo de res Mexican style and my own version. Thank you so much for watching. Well, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, or you can also share my videos to your friends and your family. Alright, thank you to all subscribers and new subscribers. Especially thank you to my partner. Love you, partner. Get some sleep. Okie dokie. See ya. God bless.